Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Vespa Fix and Fun. And today again with a special episode during the COVID lockdown. And the topic going to show you today is the very basic maintenance on your Vespa that you can do home in your garage. The content is how to change your rear brake pad on your Vespa. So let's check it out. So before I'm going to start to disassembly the rear wheel hub, I'm going to show you some little equipment to prepare to work on this job. And let's get started. The first thing first, you need to have a flathead screwdriver, a plier, a hammer, a socket, and in my case I'm used the number 22. But it's according to your Vespa series, which number you have, but it's not a big deal. A breaker bar, if you want to change the brake during the engine is still on your Vespa, this tool is going to work for you. But for me, I work with the demo engine, so I'm going to use the impact wrench. And grease to use to lubricate some moving mechanical part inside. You're going to see it. And the brake cleaner to clean the wheel hub inside. I'm going to show you. And of course the new brake pad, but I'm not have because this is just a very old engine, and I'm going to show you only with the demonstration without the real change of the brake pad. So let's get started this assembly. So now we are on the demo engine that I'm going to show you. Let's get started. First you have to take out the nut cover, dust cover here. Just use simple flathead screwdriver. Some series come with the black plastic, but this is the metal ones. Next you have to take out the split pin here. You can see when the split pin used 1 or 2 times, it's gonna break like this. And the information about how to get the emergency one you can check from the previous clip about the split pin to secure your Vespa nut not to get accident. But now let's continue. In my case, my wheel hub nuts here, the main one is used number 22. I'm going to use with my impact wrench here. Very easy. And now you can take out the hub. Be careful, there is a little washer here. And now you can see the brake mechanism inside. It's very simple. For the people who do this job for the first time, I'm going to explain you a little bit. As you can see, this is the brake pad of the Vespa PX mechanism. Is also similar to the previous vintage last frame. And the brake pad is secure with 2 omega shaped clip here, which we are going to take it out first. And then this main return spring. First of all, take out the omega shape circlip here, as you can see, and be careful. If you do it the first time, it could fly around on your garage and you cannot find. So the easy thing is to use this simple ply to lift out. I show you. Yeah. Don't let it fly around your garage. There are 2 of them. Okay, and after you took out the omega shape clip here, this engine is set very long and is very rusty around here, and also the plate at the back. I'm going to put some penetration oil, just little, and leave for a couple minutes, and then we can apply it, lift it up. I show you. And then it will, this bottom brake is a little bit stuck, but you can see it's come out already. This is like to happen in real life. Almost, boy. Almost. This is a real life. If you like classic, sometimes happen. This will not gonna happen if every time they add the grease on the moving part mechanism of the brake system. See? If you like classic, this is normal, common problem to see, and sometimes it's an unexpected situation when you fix your vintage Vespa. This is a good sample. So if you found a situation just like me here, there is a rust when you take the brake shoes out. It's recommended to clean it, the rust, before. And after that you have to add some grease also before. Look, now it's ready. shiny metal, and in a very narrow, I'm going to use a small brush, just like that. And now you can see it's all side shiny. I'm going to tap it back, and then we can start to continue. And another thing that I'm going to want you to check before you install the brake pad is about this brake shaft mechanism. You can see the edge of this side is quite full, while this side, I move for you. I'm not sure it's not going to focus well. Yeah, now you can see the edge of this side is quite worn out, and also this under here is also worn out. So if it worn out too much, just like this sample, I'm also going to change this shaft also, because it helps a lot about the brake. When it's spread, it will gonna be spread like a normal clearance, and this one I'm going to change. But for this clip, I'm just only the sample how I changed the brake shoe, so I'm not going to change, but this is just a notice for you.